Here is another consumer awareness video. I have made quite a few of them over the years, and they don't seem to be very popular, and I'm not about to expect this one will be either. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the first product my wife came across. This was a product that she purchased a few weeks ago and found out that the cost increase of those tariffs looks like it's going to be passed on completely to the consumer. However, feel free to correct me if I have made a mistake on my math here, but let's go ahead and go over it. Let's go ahead and start with the March price of $29.59. Then we have a new price in April of $36.99. That's a total price increase of $7.40 and a percentage increase of 25%, which probably represents the new tariff. And that's not where it stops. I know a lot of people think that's where it's going to stop, but we're also going to need to consider the additional sales tax. And where I live in Southern California, that tax is 8.25%, which will add another 61 cents to that product for a grand total increase of $8.01 and adding another 2.06% to the overall cost of the product for a new grand total tax of 27.06%. And I'm not about to suggest this is going to apply to all products or that this particular product won't change their prices. And of course, the main reason why I made this video was just to make people aware of how some of the prices are going to be affecting some of the products you are going to need to build, remodel, or repair your home. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.